This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles Pinoy style. First, gather your key ingredients for an authentic taste. Pinoy waffles stand out with their special flavors, often featuring coconut milk and pandan extract. These ingredients are crucial for that signature aroma and a delightful, slightly chewy texture that sets them apart from typical waffles. Now let's mix the batter. Start by sifting and combining all your dry ingredients in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients like eggs, coconut milk, and pandan extract until smooth. Then, gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, mixing just until combined. Avoid overmixing to ensure your waffles stay tender, not tough. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting and lightly grease it. Pour about 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the iron, spreading it evenly. Cook for approximately 4 to 6 minutes, or until the waffles are golden brown and have a slightly crispy exterior. Serve them warm, traditionally topped with butter and a drizzle of condensed milk for extra sweetness. For an even more intense flavor, consider using fresh pandan leaves to make your own extract. You can also explore variations like yub waffles, which use yub extract for a beautiful purple color and distinct taste. These are fantastic for breakfast or as a sweet snack. And don't forget to check the description below for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious Pinoy-style waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.